In today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how to add HTML code to your GoDaddy website builder step by step. Whether you want to embed a custom form, add a widget, insert a tracking script, or display custom content, this method will let you paste your own HTML directly into your site in just a few minutes. If this tutorial helps you out, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe to the channel for more simple and easy website tutorials. All right, let's jump right in. First, you need to log in to your GoDaddy account. Open your browser, go to godaddy.com, and click Sign in the top right corner. Enter your email address and password, then access your dashboard. Once you're logged in, you'll be taken to your main account page where all your products are listed. Next, go to My Products. This is where you'll see your domains, hosting plans, and website builder sites. Find the website you want to edit, then click on Manage next to it. After that, click Edit Website. This will open the GoDaddy Website Builder editor where you can make changes to your site layout and content. Now that you're inside the website editor, the next step is to add a new section where your HTML code will live. Look for the plus button labeled Add Section. Click on the plus icon and a menu of different section types will appear on your screen. This is where you can add things like text sections, images, galleries, contact forms, and more. Scroll down through the list until you find the section called Files and Web. Under this category, you'll see options like HTML, file upload, and links. What you want to choose here is HTML. Click on the HTML option to insert a custom HTML section into your page. As soon as you click it, a blank HTML editor will open. This is where you can paste any custom code you want to add to your website. If there's any placeholder content inside the editor, go ahead and delete it. Then copy your HTML code from wherever you have it saved and paste it directly into the editor box. This could be embed code from another platform, custom styling, a booking widget, a chat widget, or any other HTML snippet. Just make sure the code is complete and formatted correctly before you paste it in. Once your code is inside the editor, double-check everything to make sure nothing is missing. After you've pasted your HTML code, click Done. Immediately, you'll see a live preview of how the HTML appears on your page. This allows you to confirm that everything is displaying correctly. If something doesn't look right, you can click back into the section and edit the code again. Once you're happy with how it looks, the final and most important step is to publish your website. Go to the top right corner of the editor and click Publish. This pushes your changes live so visitors can see the new HTML content on your website. If you skip this step, your changes won't be visible to the public. And that's it. That's exactly how you add HTML code to GoDaddy Website Builder quickly and easily. As you can see, it only takes a few minutes and doesn't require any advanced technical skills. If this video helped you, make sure to like this video and subscribe to the channel for more step-by-step website tutorials just like this one. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.